Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download YouTube video and play offline without internet. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. You can search for your video from here if you want. For example, I want to download this story. Just tap these three dots. Here you have download option. For full HD, you have to pay, but for low quality, it's free. Just click this one. You see here we have remember my setting for 30 days. This download lasts for 30 days and you need internet once in 2 days. But it's free. Just download. Here we can see the download started. To see the downloads from home, go to downloads or from the three dots. Here we have downloads. You see it is downloaded. If you want to play it, for example, I go to offline. Let's play the video. Click the video.
It's never too late to begin again. The story of Mrs. Ashimeta. Welcome to the English Empire channel.
That's all. Have a nice day.